How to configure the document signing workflow within the TFY system? Please access the Settings menu and subsequently select the Document Signing Workflow option. Locate the Add Workflow button. Click this button and then choose the workflow type as Document Signing. Assign a clear and memorable name to your workflow. For our example, we will designate it as Offer Letter. After naming the workflow, specify the workflow rules, which dictate the actions to be taken, by whom, and when. To proceed, click on Workflow Rules. Choose the appropriate action from the dropdown, and then assign the role responsible for executing that action. The HR administrator has been assigned the responsibility of creating the document. Likewise, the document can be approved by several individuals. The process typically begins with the hiring manager. Next, we require the recruiter to sign off, followed by the member towards the conclusion. Once this workflow is established, the system will adhere to the hierarchy, ensuring the document signing process proceeds accordingly. Please confirm your changes. Once confirmed, your document signing workflow will be saved. During the document signing workflow setup, you may select this workflow, which will respect the hierarchies you have established. I hope this information is helpful. Thank you.